Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and this is my latest bad idea. Some of you might recognize this is Mini Convergence from E-flite. I just got this used yesterday. I found it on a local website from a guy who said everything works, it's fine. He also gave me a battery that's much too large, and I was scared from the beginning because it came in an XK box. They also had a VTOL very similar to this, I don't know, XK 450 or something like that. I left that at home. I only kept this foam part for transport, and it kind of fits in here. I think they were very similar, so I think the battery was from that. Apart from that, motors, servos are all from Horizon. The foam looks fine, except these vertical stabilizers that I think were bent by staying in that box. I think these are supposed to be straight up, but it doesn't look that bad. Hopefully it will fly. And my biggest issue is I wasn't able to bind it. It came with this little satellite receiver. That's what it uses, and I'm not sure if this is the correct one or maybe it's a counterfeit one. I did some research online and a lot of these popped up as being fake. What happened when I connect the battery, had one orange flash, then it was supposed to flash continuously until you bind it, but I never got that. But luckily I tried the satellite receiver from my Osprey and that bound right up. So it's in here right now. And yeah, this is how it came. No stickers, but Horizon Europe still has them in stock. And speaking about Horizon, I also have another, maybe even worse idea of buying some stuff from them and trying to make my own plane. Stay tuned, hopefully it will happen, and of course I'll have one and maybe even several videos on that. So yeah, I'm a bit nervous flying this. I have the Osprey, which is very similar, but still it's scary. These things had problems, as did the Osprey. I didn't have any issues with my Osprey. I've crashed it, but it was always my fault. So let's hook up a battery and see how this goes. Okay, things move. I'm a bit nervous about this, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try VTOL, then if I feel comfortable, maybe I'll transition to forward flight. Okay, that wasn't bad. And my good buddy Brian just showed his convergence in a video a couple of days ago and said he had problems transitioning, that you're not supposed to touch it until it does its thing. Okay, that's full stick, forward, yaws. Hope you guys can see it. So, should I? Oh, it's kind of boring for me like this. Okay, throttle, and what the hell? Okay. Woo! Flying a Mini Convergence. Always wanted to try these since I got the Osprey. Of course, the Osprey is cooler, but this looks more like a plane, and so far away, and it's pretty small, so probably try and zoom in. I'm in the stability mode, safe. Okay, wasn't that bad. Yeah, so I wrote to the guy about the receiver, told him I couldn't bind it. He said it was working fine for him, but someone ran over with a car over his radio, and that's why he's selling it. I don't know what to think about that. He had other RC stuff for sale. I think he just buys them used as lots and sells them on. He didn't have any other airplanes. Most everything else was cars and nothing special. But I do have the option. It's not local. I think it's a European website, Vinted it's called. People usually sell clothes, I saw, but there's all kinds of stuff there, and it's a bit like eBay. They handle shipping, and also you have to confirm that you received it and everything's okay before they release the money. Oh, it's going well. Using an 850 3S CNHL. Still have 2 minutes on the timer. Well, it's not as fast as the Osprey. Let me try and get it closer. Okay, I feel pretty good about flying it. It's not bad. Cruises around nicely at half throttle. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm not sure. Ooh. Ah, power lines. And it doesn't seem as fast as the Osprey. Not sure if I'll get the stickers and apply those, or I was thinking of painting it. Let's see. Transition. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Great success, as Borat would say. Ooh. What's it doing? I don't know if you guys saw it. I barely did. Is it going away from me? See, it's porpoising. Another car coming. I can't really tell which way it's facing. Oh yeah, I think I got it right way. Okay, so car's coming. Still have 38 seconds. Maybe a 5-minute timer. I'm just gonna hover around until it hovers no more. See what I can expect from this battery. This kind of looks like an F-14. I think they also had some Jolly Rogers type looking decals for it. The pack, it came with a bunch of different options: Navy, Air Force, and yeah, I checked on the Horizon website in Europe. They have them on sale or clearance, probably for €2 the whole pack. And as I mentioned, I do want to try rebuilding, or actually building, a plane from parts. I'm not gonna say what it is. I'm not gonna spoil it. Okay, I'm past the 5 minutes. 5 minutes 30. Still hovering. So 5 minutes 40. I don't have my cell checker. Let me get it and I'll go pick it up. Bad news, guys. I've broke one of these nacelle servos. It landed a bit off here, and I thought it wouldn't be a problem, but it's not moving. It's stuck in this position. So yeah, need to replace the servos as well. I knew these were a weak part. It's, yeah, probably strip gears, but at least it flew. Servo shouldn't be that big of a problem. Let's see. Huh? No. Stripped. Oh, come on. Okay. Let's see. Checking the voltage. If I can do this one hand. Yeah, so I'm not sending it back to the guy. I'll just tell him it is what it is. He had it listed for 60. I offered him 50 and he accepted, so I'll probably just keep on moving. Ooh, 21%. Yeah, so 5 minutes is about right. I'll replace that servo and move the receiver between this and my Osprey, because guess what, we no longer make that receiver for the Osprey. I did some research online if any other receivers would work in the Convergence. I know in the Osprey they don't. Has to be that specific one, and it's discontinued. So if you ever come across a V22 Osprey from E-flite that doesn't have a receiver, don't buy it, because you can't find those receivers and you're not going to be able to use it. So that was it. I'm happy with it for the price I've paid. It's been fun. Replace that servo, get it looking a bit nicer, and it should be fun. So let me know what you think. Have any questions, comments, ideas? I was thinking of paint, maybe in red, yellow, and blue, the remaining colors. There's some planes we have painted like that, the Air Force. I'll see what I'll do. And also maybe replace these vertical stabilizers. I see they're glued in, but they still have them as spare parts. I don't know. I'll think about it, or maybe just straighten them out. Though it flew pretty well. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.